Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hey guys, how's it going? It's Mo, aka Paid Trader. What's going on? What's today? Wednesday, hump day. Hopefully you had a great Easter. You guys hedged your trades. You guys didn't come back to anything unexpected, such as like a blown account. So anyway, for those that still have their accounts after the past week and a half, the past month, and for those that survived Theresa May surprise announcement about the what they call it, the election, snap election. Boom, there we go. I knew I had it in there somewhere. For those of you guys that survived that, this is for you guys. So the euro yen, that's been my deal. That's been my saga, my plight, my mission. And we took the hedge off yesterday, and we are trading it, and we are doing all right. So let's get to it. Let's see what some of the levels are for the euro yen, and see where we are in terms of what the plan is, in terms of the yellow brick road that we're going to be following into profitability. So I'll see you guys in a second. Let's check it out. All right, guys. So we are taking a look at the daily euro yen pair at the moment. So what I was looking for a reaction off of the 114.09, 114.09 level, and we got a reaction on the level before it, which is just as fine, because I was looking for, to go long from 116.12 down at these levels. So as I mentioned before, this is what I was looking for, anticipating that it would hit, but this came and that was just fine with me. So currently we're reacting off of that. We've broken back above the 116.12 with an eye for the 117.21. Okay, now we get above 117.21. I think this is going to be a tough level to get above, but I think we're gonna try and go for it. So now the reason why I'm saying that this might be a tougher level to get above is just because of all the action that's this level has seen before. But the fact that we were able to bounce off of them this low, I think we have some strength. And as long as everything turns out, with Le Pen not winning the French election, I think we'll be okay. Let's open this up a little bit more. There we go. Okay. Yeah. Cool. So, and then above that, we are looking at, 118.85 with probably a hiccup or a pit stop right in here at the 117.99 level. So we have some pretty decent, ground cover before we get anywhere close to these highs, which would be a beautiful thing, but I don't need it to go that far to be in profit. So I'm ideally looking for my take profit to be at 117.99 and be able to call it good. But right now, let's see what we're looking at for today. Okay, so this is our 4-hour chart. So we're hanging out right in this zone, if you will. I'm thinking that we may see a pullback before we continue on up, before we continue our move up. Set down to 1 hour. So what we need to break 1660 and close above it. If we get a clean break and a clean close above it, I would anticipate us going higher today. If we don't get one in the next couple of hours, I would anticipate a down day on the euro yen with the ultimate target for myself, 117.99. Taking a look at the other currency pairs of the other yen crosses, the Aussie yen is at its low for the session, and the pound yen is near its high, and the euro pound is just kind of untouched. So let's see what kind of action we get in this pair today. So we need a clean close above 116.60. I ideally would like for it to open down and then have to work its way back up, because then that shows that there's more buyers, that there's more demand for this pair, and more support to push it north. So, and with the pound dollar, all the shorts getting chopped to bits yesterday, we might see some pound strength, which may weigh on the euro. So today, ideally, I would like to see it come down, and retest this area, the 116.12 before heading back up. But if it continues up, it needs to have a clean break of 116.60. Then I would anticipate, let me see here, I have levels of interest at 116.93 and 117. $117.15. So, I think we're going to be doing all right today. I think we are going to do all right. Back these pips. So this is Mo, aka Paid Trader, the PaidTradeForex, and my big swinging pips, pre-market pip mapping. That's a whole mouthful, huh? Like a whole nother language. Mo Bonics. I like it. Pip Bonics. All right, you guys. Paid Trader, over and out.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.